Whoa. What in the world is in this jar? I hear something in it. Look, it says Ink Slime Series 1 contains slime in one figure. Whoa, Bendy and the ink machine. Oh, so they're inside here. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have in here. Oh, look, you can see the slime. Okay. Oh, that scared me. Look, it almost spilled everywhere. Okay, let's try to find the character and see which character's inside. Whoa, look! It looks like Goofy from the Disney show, doesn't it? Huh, that's interesting. I was not expecting that at all. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.